Now you have been thinking about how you have not saved anything this year. Now what if I told you you could actually save thousands of euros by the end of this year without ever opening a budget spreadsheet again? I'm talking about saving money before the expenses even hit your account. Now if you are a busy person and you hate budgeting and you are tired of that budgeting guilt that comes from tracking every single purchase, or if you have tried saving before but you end up somehow spending that same money you have saved before, or maybe you just find tracking expenses boring and exhausting, then this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a simple 4-step system that takes about 10 minutes to set up and then runs completely on autopilot. No tracking, no burnout, no guilt, just pure set it and forget it savings. And I will also give you some bonus trick on how you can add some extra earnings to that saving. So I urge you to watch the video to the end. Now let me say this because I know some people watching this already feel discouraged whenever they hear the word save money. Because maybe your situation right now feels tight, your rent is high, groceries are expensive, transportation costs keep increasing, and by the time your bills are paid, it honestly feels like there is nothing left. And sometimes when people online talk about saving money, they make it sound so easy that it almost feels disconnected from reality. But this video is not about pretending life is cheap or pretending everybody can suddenly save thousands overnight. This is about creating a realistic system that works even if your income is not perfect. Because the truth is, peace of mind financially does not always start with huge money. Sometimes it starts with simply having a system. Now let's be clear about something. I actually like a good budget. In fact, I have got another video coming up soon about how to track your money perfectly. But let's be honest, life gets busy and works get busy. And sometimes the constant tracking becomes the exact reason people quit saving altogether. So today in this video, we are switching that system. Instead of saving what's left after spending, we are going to start spending what's left after saving. And once you set this up, it happens automatically every time your salary comes in. Now, the reason many people struggle to save money isn't because they lack discipline, it's because of the system they are using. Most people receive their salary, start paying bills, rent, groceries, subscriptions, fuel, and other expenses. And then they try to save whatever happens to be left at the end of the month. But the truth is that for many people, there is nothing left to save. What I'm about to show you now changes that completely, because it makes sure the saving happens first before the spending even begins. And honestly, one of the biggest reasons people stop trying to save is because they feel so ashamed. They feel like they should already have money saved by now, especially when they go online and see people talking about saving, buying properties, or making six figures. Meanwhile, they are just trying to survive until the next payday. But the reality is, many people are silently struggling financially, even if they don't talk about it publicly. A lot of people are earning decent salaries and still living from paycheck to paycheck, because money without a system disappears very quickly. And that is why I actually like simple automated systems like this one. They remove pressure, they remove guilt, and they allow normal people with real life responsibilities to finally start building savings slowly and consistently. So here is the simple settings. It is made up of 4 steps, and the entire setup takes about 10 minutes. Once you set it up, it runs automatically every month. This system works especially well if you are busy, if you hate budgeting, or if you are someone who has tried saving before but always end up dipping into that same money that you have saved. Now, the step number 1 is to understand your basic monthly expenses. You don't need to track every single detail. Just focus on the major things you pay every month. For example, let's say you earn 2,000 euros per month. Your rent might be around 500 euros. Your car loan might be 300 euros. Your gasoline or commuting expenses might be around 200 euros depending on how much you travel. Groceries maybe, for example, 200 euros, and insurance and other miscellaneous expenses might come up to about 400 euros. Now, when you add everything together, your total expenses might be around 1,600 euros. That means there is about 400 euros remaining. Now, here is where most people make the mistake. They treat that remaining money as extra spending money. But in this system, that remaining money becomes your automatic savings. Now, let me say something important here. Saving money does not always require huge sacrifices, but sometimes it does require small lifestyle adjustments. And honestly, many people waste money in areas that do not actually improve their happiness long time. For example, constantly ordering food delivery because you are too tired to cook. Of course, sometimes that could be justified, but when it becomes constant, that is where the problem lies. And also buying things online impulsively because they are on discount, upgrading devices you don't really need yet, or spending money simply because you are bored. And the truth is, most of these habits don't feel dangerous because they happen in small amounts. A quick 20 euros here, a quick 30 euros there, another small purchase tomorrow. But over time, those habits quietly compete against your future savings. Now, this does not mean you should stop enjoying your life completely. That is not realistic. The goal is simply becoming more intentional. Sometimes cooking at home a few more times each week, delay impulse purchases by 24 hours, or reducing unnecessary subscriptions can free up far more money than people expect. Now, small adjustments repeated consistently creates surprisingly large financial results over time. Now, step number 2 is to open a separate savings account. This can be within the same bank where your salary comes in, but often it is even better to open in a completely different bank. Now, the reason is very simple. When your savings are separated from your everyday spending account, you are less likely to touch the money impulsively. Now, another important thing to check is bank fees. You would want a bank that does not charge unnecessary account fees because you worked hard for that money, and so you don't want to lose any of it to bank charges. If possible, choose an account that also pays interest so your savings can grow over time. Step number 3. This is the most important step in this system. You need to set up an automatic transfer from your salary account to your savings account. Now, using the example we talked about earlier, if you earn 2,000 euros per month, for example, and your expenses are about 1,600 euros, then you would set up an automatic transfer of 400 euros to your savings account. Another important thing you would want to do is schedule that transfer to happen on that same day your salary arrives. This way, the money moves instantly into your savings before you even have the chance to see it. Now, psychologically, this makes a huge difference because instead of seeing 2,000 euros available to spend, your brain immediately adjusts to the idea that you only have 1,600 euros available for the entire month. One thing that I talked about deeply in my previous video is something called lifestyle creep. And honestly, it is one of the biggest reasons people struggle financially even when their salary increases. Because most people think earning more money automatically solves financial problems. But in reality, if your lifestyle keeps rising at the same speed as your income, you stay in the exact same financial position. So I actually explained this much deeper in that video, especially the hidden ways money quietly disappears every month without people noticing. So if you haven't watched that video, I will paste the link in the description because it connects perfectly with what we are discussing about right now. Because it will make you to understand where your money goes every month where you get paid, and also show you how to redirect that money into savings. Now, here is another mistake many people make once they start earning more money. Anytime their income increases, their lifestyle increases immediately too. They get a raise and suddenly they upgrade everything. Better phone, more eating out, more online shopping, more expensive habits, and before you know it, the extra money is gone completely. This is something called lifestyle inflation. And honestly, it is one of the biggest reasons people stay financially stuck even when they start anymore. So here is a smarter approach. Every single time your salary increases, even if it is just by 100 euros or 200 euros, increase your automatic savings first before upgrading your lifestyle. For example, if your salary increases by 200 euros, maybe send 100 euros of that increase directly into your savings account automatically, and then you can enjoy the rest guilt-free. Maybe buy that thing you have been longing for a very long time to buy. That way your lifestyle improves slowly, but your savings also continue growing at the same time. Now, step number 4 is a small trick that makes this system even stronger. My friend, you would want to make the savings account slightly difficult to access. For example, you could choose not to request for a debit card for that account. Now, if the account is in the same bank as your salary account, you might want to even hide it from your main banking app view so you don't constantly see the balance. Now, the reason is very simple. When the savings are less visible, you are far less tempted to spend them. I know you might want to say, I can control myself. But I'll tell you this small psychological trick protects your savings far better than relying on self-control alone. Now, here is another small trick that can increase your savings without you even noticing it. Many banks collaborate with supermarkets, stores, and insurance companies and offer membership or loyalty cards where you can earn some cashback bonuses when you shop or pay your loan or insurance fees. Now, individually, these bonuses might seem small, but over time they add up. In fact, I do this also, and in some months, I get paid over 50 euros. Now, instead of letting those bonuses go back into your spending account, you might want to set them to go directly into your savings account. That way, every time you make normal purchases or pay some service fees, you are quietly adding a little extra to your savings without you even noticing and without requiring any extra efforts. And this also applies to unexpected money. Many people receive tax refunds, overtime payments, bonus from work, holiday pay, cashback rewards, or small side hustle income, and then immediately spend all of it because it feels like extra money. But financially smart people treat that extra income differently. Instead of using all of it for spending, they divide it intentionally. For example, if you receive an extra 500 euros unexpectedly, you might save 300 euros and enjoy the rest of the 200 euros. That way you still enjoy the reward without losing the opportunity to grow your savings. Because honestly, one of the fastest way to build saving is not necessarily through your main salary alone. It is through how you handle unexpected extra income. And honestly, this is something financially successful people understand very well. They don't always focus on how much money they earn. They focus heavily on systems and habits. Because earning more money alone does not automatically create wealth. Many people earn high salaries and still live paycheck to paycheck because their spending grows just as fast as their income. Real financial progress usually comes from controlling lifestyle inflation while steadily increasing savings and investment over time. One of the most powerful things about this system is the psychological freedom it gives you. Because your savings are already handled automatically, you can spend the remaining money without constantly feeling guilty about it. You are not always wondering if you should be saving instead of spending because the savings has already happened. Now, this is where things become more powerful long term, because once your savings start building up consistently, you eventually reach a point where the money itself starts helping you grow more money. Maybe investments or opportunities that become available because you finally have savings sitting there. Now, that is why building the habit early matters a lot. At first, it feels small, maybe just 50 euros here and 100 euros there. But over time, those small amounts stack, grow, and increase momentum. And honestly, most people underestimate how quickly money can grow once consistency enters the picture. Now, if you follow these 4 steps, you will be shocked at how much you have saved by December. And honestly, if you haven't watched my previous video about the 5 hidden reasons salaries disappear every month, I recommend you should definitely watch it after this one, because this video teaches you the system for saving money automatically. But that video explains the invisible habits and financial behavior that quietly destroys savings in the first place. Watching both together gives you the full picture. But here is the thing. Saving is just only one part. Now, if you want to know how to take that money and actually make it work for you, that is multiplying it while you sleep, instead of just allowing it to sit in your account, then you need to watch the next video. I'm dropping a strategy that turns these savings into a real asset. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss it. So after trying this system for a few months, come back and tell me in the comments whether it worked for you. But for now, drop a heart emoji if you like this video, and under the comment section, let me know if you set up the account today